I want companies to stop giving black caps because who putting a black cap under their wig? Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So, my lashes already acting crazy. But today I'll be unboxing my Beauty Forever wig that I just bought. I bought it Friday, July 17th. It shipped Saturday, July 18th. And then it just got delivered today, Wednesday, July 22nd. So that was like 5 days. And I ordered it from the official site. So it'll be in the description box. And this video is not sponsored. So this is the box that it had delivered fast, so y'all don't see my edges. But I'm so excited about this wig. I'm trying to do this without showing my edges. So I have watched one of these unboxing videos, so I know how the box is supposed to look. Let's see how it looks. Y'all, it looks so cute. Okay. So Beauty Forever. I forgot what did I order? Let me see what I ordered. I know what it looked like, but I forgot like what inch I got. So let me get those details for y'all. Okay, so I don't know what I know what I ordered. I know I ordered a bob with the bang, but I forgot what inch I got, and it don't even say it in the email. So if I find it, I'll put it on the screen, or it'll be in the description box. So that's what it's looking like. Still don't say it. Why they don't? So this is like the shipping stuff. They gave me a black cap. I want companies to stop giving black caps because who putting a black cap under their wig? Then I got this elastic band. I don't know. I'm not about to use that. But yeah. So the wig, black cap, and the elastic band thingy. So let's see. I'm not sure where they ship from, but ooh, it don't smell good. Ooh, I pray I like this wig. This is my first wig from Beauty Forever, y'all. I really just wanted to try a wig from them. I hope I don't regret it. Y'all. Let me get a thumbnail. This don't look that bad. Let me get my brush. So I'm gonna put a picture on the screen of how I'm expecting this wig to look. I saw a video from Glow Princess. I really liked her video. So overall, I like the parting space, even though it's a bang. It got more parting space than a lot of wigs. This is like, I think, a 13x4. This is a lot of parting space. And then it has the combs. And then it has I use these things back here to tighten my wig, but I don't use the combs. So I'm gonna cut the combs out. I'm still gonna bleach the knots and really wash this wig before I put it on my head. Already I see kind of like a lot of flyaways. Y'all know them. Y'all, this is really short. I'm gonna find out what inch I ordered and I'm gonna put it on the screen. This is really short. It's not that bad though. If it turned out the way I want it to be, this is gonna be my favorite wig ever. It's not that bad. I promise it's not that bad. But I'm not about to put it on my head, so I just really want to get a good thumbnail. Yeah, y'all, that's really it. This is a really short video because it's a really short wig. I think I probably got like an 8 or 10 inch. I'm gonna look like Dora with this wig on. I don't know. I'm gonna bleach the knots and then I'm gonna do a video of me installing the wig. That should be up in a couple of days because I've been waiting on this wig. Well, not waiting on it because it did come fast, but yeah. Overall, the hair is actually really soft. Like, it's really soft. It don't even like, I don't know, it's just like body wave. Not body wave, but like, I don't know. I like this hair. I don't like the smell of it. The color is a little bit darker than what like body wave or like natural color hair wigs come in. But I don't know. I like it. So that's a short video because this wig is really short. It's nothing to really talk about. I don't like the smell. I like how soft it is, and I'm gonna do a video of me installing it very soon. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check out all the other videos on my channel. And you can check out, can you really see it? You can go ahead and check out the review I did on this wig. It's cranberry hair. But yeah, Beauty Forever. I don't know, for this to be like one of those bigger companies like Nadula, Units, whatever, I expected something else in the box. Not that they have to give you anything in the box because you're just paying for the wig, but I don't know. Thought it was gonna be some extra in the box. Like, how do you do this? So this is like the little elastic band. I have one of these, but I don't use it because I don't know. So yeah, video is over. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and bye.